Welcome back to my morning report transfer prices on Monday the 25th of January with me, Japan Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at cable now and just looking at this downtrend that we've had in place on cable for the past 6 weeks. I've been waiting sort of for this downtrend to be tested and the short covering rally. And have we already had the short covering rally in place? Because we had this bull hammer on Thursday last week. Look at this subsequent candle we saw on Friday. Sharp move higher. Actually hit a high of 43.60, and I'll talk about the importance of that level in a minute. Interesting. Old support becomes new resistance. 43.50 being the low, turning into a high. And that's not too far off that downtrend 44 figure area. 43.75 today, but looking again at another candle where we've sort of started to see gains but then falling away. So it's still a bit of a disappointment, I think, this rally. You're still certainly unwinding this this bear market move, and I think that's pretty much all it is. And I'd be looking out probably trying to look for the next sell signal really, because I don't really see this as too much rally. I mean, when I wrote the morning report this morning, cable was up and the RSI was at 31, and I sort of discussed whether it was the beginnings or a rally that was a serious buying rally, or is it just unwinding. I thought it was just an unwinding rally. It seems to be that that is the case, and it's playing out in that way. So we've had that rally back towards the downtrend. Didn't quite get to the downtrend, but seems to be sort of stuttering again. You'd want this rally to be continuing now. This is the test, isn't it? In my opinion, you've had this old support, 42.35, became resistance, broke out on Friday, come back, is now being tested as we speak. 42.35. That is your old support that became new resistance, which now turns back into new support, and it's already being tested. Look out that 43.60 high. You'd certainly say that is a 43.50 still in place as a basis of resistance. So you're still seeing all these sort of old pivot lines coming back into play, and very interesting that we're seeing 42.35 being tested once again. This is the level at which all these moving averages are sort of converged and flattened off. So this is a real test, I think, now for the near-term outlook. Not only that, if I put my crosshair in on 42 figure and zoom in, you've got that old resistance. 42 figure became supportive again. If we lost 42 figure, I think that would be your confirmation that the bears are back in control. So the bulls are really struggling this morning. 22 ticks down doesn't sound a lot, but I still think that they've just lost the impetus in this rally potentially. And certainly if 42.35 gets beaten, 42 figure is a big level, so you need to be watching out for. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.